Good morning everyone and welcome to another update. Hope you can hear me over the noise. As you can see, they're pouring the top slab. I think they just finished one truck. Oh, maybe not. Anyway, that's the guy in the orange trousers with the pump. He's controlling the pump and they're pumping from the lorry off the back there into the pump and onto our site. And this is forming the top slab. You can see where they've smoothed it all off at the moment. First bit, and they've got to work their way all the way towards the back. And there's various guys smoothing out and vibrating the stuff to take all the air out of it. So I'll film a few more shots of that as they're doing it.
I'm going to say 64. Now, that's 27. 27 up to here, yeah? Yeah. The other side.
Good afternoon everyone. Following on from the last update that you saw where they're pouring the slab. They've done it all and this is what the slab looks like with no shuttering around it. It's actually now 2 or 3 weeks later because there hasn't been getting any work on for the moment while we're waiting for the building to come in. But they have been doing a little bits and pieces down the side here. They filled in with some type 1, and you can see the digger up there. They started doing some drainage, but hopefully next week the building will be coming on the 24th of April. The following footage you're about to see from Monday the 23rd of April were all jobs in connection with the delivery day, the next day of our building finally onto the slab. We were also getting ready for a working week which is happening the following week, where we needed ballast and other materials ready for delivery to site. So you can see a train just appearing around the corner here at Hastill and taking various bits and pieces over to the other station at Willow Lawn, ready for the bagging area and some barriers ready for the next day's deliveries. Hope you enjoy these clips. I've recorded this after the event because I didn't do the commentary on the day, and the following day will be the building delivery day. Good morning everyone, it's the 24th of April, Tuesday morning, and it's building delivery day. Here we see the crane waiting to take position around the corner, and then they'll start craning sections in. We saw in the clip before this, one of the lorries was just turning up one of the sections. I think there's about 9 in total. Shouldn't take too long once they get going, but they're just having a bit of a discussion and about where to place the crane and plan of action for today. But as soon as I get going, I'll get a few shots of the building going. Here we are guys, that's the first section. They're just getting the crane over the top of it to hook it up, and then it'll be craned onto the slab, and it's going to go this end. They're going to work in from this end here, as I said before, about 9 sections, and working towards the back, which is where those guys are standing at the very back there. So come back in a minute for craning the first section.
Yeah. So where are you down near the car park? So you don't know his name? Alright.
don't think we have any. See if there's any short. If not, we'll just put the cover on and move it. Yeah. And hit the top of it because it looks slow. Back.
Ladies and gentlemen, some 9 hours later, the last section is going in. It's about to be dropped on the slab and then move that water pipe from underneath. Had a few snags along the way, but sorry about the wind as well. So there you go, that's our building all in, or very nearly. And the next update will be some track work and fitting out inside, putting rails in.